My name is Luc Robitaille. I used to play for the LA Kings. I played for a few other teams in the NHL. Now I'm the president of the LA Kings. I broke my foot when I was a player, the top of my foot on my left side, and I've always had issues with the big toe on an area on my left side. So that's why I've been wanting to wear them every day, because it's something you don't think about it, you live with the pain every day. Next thing you know, you just put something on and it changes the way you're just living every day.
I've done about 1,400 brain maps, though, with and without the socks. And I've done about 7,000 before that, and I've never seen anything change the brain as much as these. And so we're optimizing your neurology. And whatever you put your focus on, that's better. If it's shooting the puck, it's better. If it's jumping,
if I didn't
it's
tell
better.
you, I put them on the ground, I put my foot on it, you'd probably see it.
Yeah, we'll see it change in 7 seconds. So I'm gonna record you just for a couple minutes, eyes closed and then eyes open, and then we're gonna put the tech on your feet and do it again. All right, so here's a live feed of your brain. That's your entire brain. Ideally, it should be all green. Once we put your socks on, it's going to turn bright lime green and see what your brain looks like with your socks on. That's your entire brain. That's the occipital lobe. Pattern recognition, memory output, dreaming, sleeping, all of that. Frontal cortex, pattern efficiency, speed, accuracy, stamina, how long you can keep going for before you mentally fatigue. So you can see with the tech on, it goes right to homeostasis, which is the lime green right in the middle.
Recently, which took my vacation, my wife took me on it's called a Camino to Santiago, and we walked, I think it was about 220 miles over 12 days, and it was an incredible adventure. I mean, it was, it's just totally different spiritually. Yeah, I wore the socks, and what I noticed for me was, there was no pain on my feet, so it really made a big difference. It just seemed like the next day when I'd wake up, I was ready for a new, fresh day, which was a big difference maker. I mean, everyone that you see on the Camino, they got issues with their toes, they got issues with the stiffness, and they're really struggling over time, because it's every day the pounding. With some days you're on asphalt, some days you're on gravel and the mountains and so forth on big rocks. So that was a savior for me, and I was able to recuperate. It seemed faster than everyone else. Some of our players are using them, but you got to understand something. It's very hard to change a player of what they're used to. So it has to have something that really has an impact. Even at training, it's very hard to actually take them to what they've been used to do to the new thing. Now, they all want to get better. So when you put something and you feel good, automatically you keep it. So that's what we're seeing. Those are the results that we're seeing with our team. The guys have tried it. They're sticking with it. Yeah, I would say to any young player out there, in any sport, actually, if you're picking something that you love, you got to put every advantage on your side, So, I used to look when I was a kid and say, okay, I'm going to work harder than everybody in my locker room and everybody in the other locker room today. But if I had the opportunity to tape my stick different, that was an advantage to me, I did it. If I had the advantage of sharpening my skates a certain way that helped me, I did it. So if you can wear a pair of socks that it helps you, helps you concentrate a little bit, helps you recuperation, because you have a tournament where you have 3 games, you gotta wear them. You have to, because that's what you love, and you're trying to get better at what you do every day. Put everything on your side for something you love. If you're a doctor and you wear the socks, it makes you a better doctor, well, wear the damn socks. But the pain is, it's amazing. I broke it right here, so it's very interesting. Before I got the socks, I have to search the right shoe and everything, but normally it would bother me after a while. It didn't.